Watch how we process messy Amazon data with Badbank.ai to create clean, usable data and files, and even upload transactions into QuickBooks. As a regular Amazon customer, you can request your data, or as a business customer, you can download your data. Either way, once you have the large, confusing CSV file from Amazon, the first step to getting it into Badbank.ai is to simplify the data. We modify the CSV file to keep only the 3 columns that Badbank needs: order date, total owed, and product name. The second step is to add header information to the CSV file to make it look like a statement: a title and account number, a beginning date, an ending date, a beginning balance of $0 and an ending balance, which is the sum of the total owed amounts. That way, Badbank will know when all the transactions are accounted for. Step 3 is to create a PDF by saving the worksheet as a PDF file type, making sure to select Sheet instead of Workbook. The final step is to upload the new PDF file into Badbank so that the AI can extract the transaction data, clean it up, and create usable files like QBO files. If we open up the top-level CSV file from the new output folder, we can see that Badbank's AI has done just that. Clean, readable, consistent names have been extracted from the messy Amazon data, and everything is neatly organized and accounted for. We can sort or pivot this data, send it to a tax preparer or CPA, or import it into any accounting system. We can use the QBO file that Badbank has created to import these transactions into QuickBooks. Your CPA may have another method for allocating these newly found expense details, but one way to do it is by setting up an Amazon clearing account, which is a current liabilities account, a credit card account to be specific. With a clearing account, we can import all the detailed transactions and distribute them to more specific expense accounts from there. Either way, we have newly found details that can improve deductions come tax time. Get started saving time and money today with Badbank AI.